In this chapter, we will be talking about everything you need to know in order to get started on Bybit, as well as a nice bonus for using my affiliate link, and also the following topics. Without further ado, let's get started. How to create your Bybit account for the first time. To sign up is really easy. By clicking on the link in the external resource section, you will be invited to join one of the biggest crypto exchanges there is. For teaching purposes, we will be using a test account. You can sign up with your Google or Apple account. Enter your email and a strong password. And because you signed up by using my link, you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. In the referral ID box, you should be seeing the following code. Click on Get My Welcome Gifts. You will be getting a 6-digit verification code on your mail. Now, you just need to copy and paste the code. You are also getting a $20 coupon. Click on Claim and use it as you please. Let's complete the identity verification process. Get your ID ready and prepare for a selfie. In about 20 minutes, you should have your account verified and ready for action. In the next lesson, we will see how we can make our first crypto purchase and how to get your bonus on Bybit. I will see you guys in the next one.